Good morning, good afternoon and good evening guys. My name is Deep Cheering Lecture. We have already installed Windows 7 in VirtualBox. In this video, we are going to actually integrate that Windows 7 within GNS3 environment. Let's begin. Click on VirtualBox, ignore the message, select Windows 7 and go to Settings. Click on Network and then over there you can see NAT. Select Host Only Adapter and go to Advanced. Here you can see the NIC information, network card information, so click on OK and close. We just verified it. Now click on GNS3. It's going to open up. Wait for a while. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are actually going to integrate that guest operating system within GNS3. Click on Edit, click on Preference. Over there, go to VirtualBox VMs. We have already got XP1, XP2. Click on New, click on Next, select Windows 7 from the drop-down list over there, and click on Finish. Here you can see that Windows 7 has been integrated in GNS3. Now click on Edit. Over there you can see that ACPI shutdown and click on Network. Over there you can see the same NIC information. Click on Allow GNS3 to use the NIC on its own. Just click on OK. Click on Apply and then OK. Now it has been integrated. Go to Routers, select 13725 series of router. Go to Switch panel and then drag and drop one switch, Ethernet switch. Now I'm going to drag and drop Windows 7 from the list. Alright. Now switch 1, just type it in and bring it left. Now I'm going to connect these devices, router to switch and switch to PC. Okay, it's been done. Now I'm going to close that panel. Okay, deselect that cable, bring it to the left side. Now okay, it's turned off, right? I'm going to show the device levels. That means the ports that are assigned and that are connected to one another. Bring it a little bit down. Alright, okay. Now you can see that router and Windows 7 is turned off. Click on play button. It's going to turn on the machine. It's going to turn on the machine, router and Windows 7. Alright. At the back side you can see that at the background you can see Windows is starting up. Starting Windows. Okay, ignore the message and wait for a while. Welcoming Windows 7 Professional. Okay, you can see Windows 7 is successfully booted up. You can see the NIC information over there. Change adapter settings, right click on it and go to Properties. Here you can see IP version 4. Just okay. Now assign a new IP address, 10.1.1.2 and then 255.255.255.0. This would be my subnet mask. Alright, click on OK. Close the window. Now go to Start and type CMD. Open up command prompt. We are going to verify our IP address that is assigned in this system. IP config. There you can see that our IP address is 10.1.1.2. Ping 10.1.1.1. We are going to ping with the router IP address. But the thing is that we haven't assigned IP address to our router. So what we're going to do is now, okay, click on router, right click on it, go to console. Now we're going to assign IP address on router interface and we're going to verify that it's going to ping with the router. Right now it's showing that destination hosts are reachable. Show IP interface brief in router. Here you can see fast Ethernet 0/0 is unassigned. We're going to assign IP address on that interface. Configure terminal, going to global configuration mode, interface fast ethernet 0/0, and then IP address 10.1.1.1 255.255.255.0. no shutdown, turning on the interface. Let's verify, and you can see that the client is pinging with the router. The reachability is successful. Show IP interface brief. You can see the IP address has been assigned successfully, and the client is actually pinging with the router interface. I'm going to ping from the router. Repeat. Alright, it's not pinging with the client because the thing is that the firewall is turned on. So I'm going to turn off the firewall. You can see it's turned on. Click on there. Just turn it off, and you can see that it's a request signed up. Now click on OK. It's going to ping. See, the thing is that, so by default in Windows, firewall is turned on, and firewall actually denies the ICMP packet. That means ping. Now I have turned on the firewall again, and it's going to stop, deny the packets again, turn off again, and then you can see the ping is successful. So for security reason, firewall is enabled by default. Alright, so please subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys.